Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can backup and restore a database in PostgreSQL using CMD in Windows. So let's get started. So to backup a database and restore it, you just need two things: a database and a login role or a user. The user should have the privileges like this, and let's go to the CMD for backing up. So here you need to give the location of the PostgreSQL bin. Let's copy the location, go to the C drive and program files, and then PostgreSQL and your version and the bin. Just copy this and then go to CMD and type CD and paste the location and then click on enter. And now just type the command and then your username and then your database name, and then give the location where you want to save the backup file. I am choosing desktop here. Just go to the C drive and then copy the location and paste it here and type the name of the backup file you want to give, and then give the extension .sql and then click on enter, and then give the password of your user and then click enter. And you have finally backed up the database here. You can also view the database. So first step is over. Now let's restore the database. I'll be deleting it from here and restore it. So to backup, just create a database with the same name and then click on OK. And now just go to CMD and give the command your username, your database name, and then the location of the SQL file. Copy it and paste, and the name, and then the file extension .sql, and then click on enter, and then give your password and then click enter. And finally your database have been restored there. So it is having my data here, one table I was having here. So you have finally restored backed up and restored your database in PostgreSQL using CMD. Thanks for watching.